Good morning, seventh graders, on this Tuesday, September 24th, a work day from home. So I just want to briefly go over today's assignment. It is a PowerPoint with guided notes. They are both in today's Schoology page, so check that. Download both the PowerPoint here and your guided notes. Print out your guided notes, not your PowerPoint, and so that you can fill out your guided notes as you go through the PowerPoint like we've done in class. I will just go over the first couple for you with you. So here we have our first page. During the early republic, in the family, the power resided in the hands of the paterfamilias. So squeeze paterfamilias in your guided notes there, and that means the father of the family. The next one is in a patrician family. We study patrician and plebeians. These are the elite, the rich, the wealthy, and the plebeians were the common people. So you stick those words in their appropriate place. Patrician family. There might also be clients who were plebeians who had pledged loyalty. So go through your guided notes with the PowerPoint as you scroll through the PowerPoint. And to complete that, the guided notes will help you with the quiz that is coming up, and it will help you with tomorrow's assignment. So make sure you do not wait till the last minute. Please work every day so it doesn't avalanche on you and become a problem at the end. So just a word of wisdom. All right, so that's today's assignment. So take care. I will see you soon, and goodbye.